Welcome back to Napping While Camping. I'm your host Tara, and I'm here at home today, but I wanted to tell you about a little trip I took yesterday to Wildwood Park in Harrisburg. You know, my health's not been so great, so I've been trying to do a little bit more walking, and it's hard, but my best friend said that she would go for a walk with me at the Wildwoods, and we were up in the area, so we stopped in there. And I'm going to show you some pictures and a little bit of video. And yeah, it was really nice. We had a great time. Let me show you the map. Wildwood Park. As you can see, right there, it's between 39 Lingletown Road, Route 222, 322, and Industrial Road. And at the bottom is Interstate 81. You go right by it on the highway, you don't even know it's there. Beautiful place. So we come in, I come into the south lot here, and you go up in here to the Nature Center, which was closed when we were there. And we parked right there, and we followed, there's little bathrooms here, and you follow the trail up and find the North Boardwalk, which is the orange trail, and you follow it along, and you come to all the way out in the middle of the tall grass into the waterfowl nesting area, and there's a pair of binoculars there for you to look around with. So we hung out there for a little bit, and then we walked back to the car. Not a lot of exercise, but I cannot make it the whole 3-mile trek around the lake. That is way too far for me to handle anymore. I tried that once about 10 years ago, and it took so long for me to get around it that they closed the gate, and there was a park attendant waiting for me, and he was not happy that he could not lock the gate until we left. But I can only walk so fast. Here's an art installation made by a Girl Scout troop locally. It's all made out of plastic bottle caps. And this turtle is made out of metal, and the underside, you can see inside of it, and there's a bunch of trash and cans and garbage. Pretty profound. Here's another little art installation. Ah, look at the chippy. Some berries are about to burst. And there's some beautiful water drops clinging to these leaves.
There he is.
Here's a very cool looking vine hanging off of this tree. It's been here for a long time. It's a little hard to tell, but there's spider webs, big spider webs, up in these leaves. This one you can see a little bit better. We spotted this guy on the way out, and along the highway in the middle of the Susquehanna, we saw this guy. And then we stopped at the boat launch in, I think, Marysville, PA. And looking across the Susquehanna, and you can see our little Statue of Liberty out there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's beautiful. If you're ever in the Harrisburg area, make sure you stop in and give it a little check out. You don't have to go the whole 3 miles around. There's lots to do all around the lake because it's different habitats all the way around. So there's always something interesting every time you go. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. I have a camping trip coming up. I am going with my roommate and her daughter. And I can't tell you where because, you know, privacy, security, whatever. But you'll know when you get to see the video. Going to a state park. And we're going to have a great time, I think. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the video. Alright, see you next time.